CT67 subroutines 31st October 28 subroutines 31st October 3 local okay data vmatner type matner these cross type cross v underscore mat x type x it underscore mat type standard table of MAKT uh work area type mat. Okay, now v underscore matner equal to 100 v underscore squad equals e select from MAKT into table IT match where matner equals 100. Okay, perform get MAKTX in program Z demo Jan subcall. This is your subroutine. Subroutine is basically a separate code that you maintain the logic so you can actually reuse it in different programs using v underscore matner changing IT underscore mat. Let's do one thing. Parameters p underscore matner. Type okay, these class equals the p underscore matner. Okay, because we don't have 100 or we'll have to make one, but of course we'll avoid that right now. Now, this is a subroutine call, and I will actually write loop at IT underscore mat into mat. I'll save it before we lose this code. Okay. Right. MAKT matner cross MAKT X. And okay, now double click subroutine. Do you want to create the object? Yes, we do want to create the object. Save the existing editor. Yes, we will. We will save it. Okay, and over here, z-demo jan subcall. Save object. Okay, over here we write another program. Data v underscore underscore MATNA, type MATNA, data underscore ITMAT, type standard table of MAKT. Okay. Initialization, which means that initiate the filling of variables. Okay. V underscore MATNA, right? Form get underscore data V underscore MATNA 100 and form. Pattern call. Let's not use this right now. Form and form. No syntax errors. Form get underscore matrix using value. What value? P underscore V underscore MATLAB PV MATLAB changing PT underscore MAT like IT underscore MAT. Select all from MAKT into table PT MAT where MATNA equals P underscore V underscore MATNA. Okay. Okay. Just a second. Form get underscore